Today on CG Off-Road, we're going to give our 2016 F-150 some custom LED lighting. Many new vehicles come with LED footwell lighting, but unfortunately our 2016 F-150 didn't. So today we're going to give our truck a modern touch by installing the Starkey white LED footwell lighting kit. This Starkey LED footwell lighting kit is designed to be an easy direct fit installation for your 2009 to 18 F-150 and Raptor. It comes with a full wiring harness and 4 bright and diffused white LEDs to nicely illuminate the footwells for a custom and modern look. The lights turn on when the doors open and they'll fade off when the doors close, so let's get to the installation. Okay, the first thing we're going to do for this install is disconnect the battery by removing the negative terminal. There's a couple panels that we have to remove on the inside. We're going to remove this panel here, right here, and then the fuse box cover right here. Just lift up on this panel. We're also going to remove this kick panel. Grab your Starkey harness and locate the end with the red and black wire. Now the lamp that's on the end of that side, you're going to run this in front of the center console over to the driver's side. We have one of those little claws that we have running through to grab onto it. Now we're just going to pull it through. We have the light attached to the claw. Now we're going to pull it through. You will need to remove the center console panel on the driver's side just like what you did on the passenger side. And then you can pull the light through, just like that. Grab a trim panel removal tool and remove the 2 clips holding on this panel. This will allow you to hide the wiring. Put the wiring inside here and have your light come out this rectangular hole. Then you can reinstall it. Then you can take the other end of the harness, which is intended for the rear of the front seats, and run it underneath the carpet right here. Then there's a slit underneath the front seat where you can pull it out. It's going to be coming out of the slit in the carpet right here under the seat. And pull it out. Get both lights through. And you're good to go. Pull the harness out from under the seat. This lamp will mount underneath the passenger seat. Run the harness over, and then this lamp will mount underneath the driver's seat. We're looking underneath the front seats, and we're going to mount our lights to this plastic bracket right here. There's one of these brackets on each seat. Wipe the surface with the provided alcohol wipes. Make sure it's nice and clean. And wipe it with the adhesive promoter. And you're good to go. Peel off the backing of the bracket and stick it on. Press and hold for about 30 seconds to make sure it sticks. Then you can install the light. Just push it onto the bracket, then do the same process for the driver's seat. For the front driver's side, we're going to stick our light onto this bracket right here. And for the passenger side, we stuck it right underneath the glove box. On the passenger side near the fuse box, remove this 13mm nut to secure the ground wire. Remove this big connector right here by pushing down on the black tab, pulling on the white one, then it comes out. Pull back on the tape to expose some of the wiring. Locate the gray wire with a purple stripe in the harness and install your wire tap. Once you hear the click, plug in your red wire and reinstall everything. Now that we have it wired up, we're going to test to make sure it works before we reinstall all of our panels. Now that the lights work, you can reinstall all of your panels and your installation's finished. Okay, so we got our Starkey LED footwell lighting kit installed on our 2016 F-150. Really gives it a nice modern touch at night, and installing this really couldn't be any simpler. It shouldn't take you more than 30 or 45 minutes. And before you know it, you'll be heading off-road.